Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 18th of September. And first of all, national news. Srinagar Jammu National Highway reopened for heavy vehicles after 3 weeks. Operation against terrorists. India Pakistan conflict not suspended due to anyone's intervention. Rajnath Singh. India Papua New Guinea discussed ways to further enhance bilateral ties. President Murmu greeted PM Modi on birthday. She said he instilled culture of achieving great goals. Severe flooding in Manipur's Valley district, schools and colleges closed. UP government launched statewide campaigns for Seva Parv 2025. International news. South Korea and US agreed on Korean Peninsula denuclearization. Indian Navy's 1TS arrived in Mozambique to celebrate 50 years of diplomatic relations. US President Donald Trump invited Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu to White House. UN Chief Guterres called Security Council reform essential for global peace. PM Modi thanked world leaders for birthday wishes, highlighted strong bilateral ties. And now some sports news. India set 293 target versus Australia in second women's ODI. Mandhana scored 117. Spinner Varun Chakravarti became world number 1 bowler in T20 International. Neeraj Chopra qualified for 2025 World Athletics Championships Men's Javelin Final. Asia Cup, Bangladesh keep Super 4 hopes alive with narrow win over Afghanistan. Now news related to business. GST reform to cut tax burden benefit common man, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Government plan 5,000 crore rupees scheme to promote decarbonization in steel industry, Steel Secretary. India's exports likely to grow 6% this year, Piyush Goyal. And that's all in news. Thank you.